8 tips for an effective video marketing strategy. Experts have dubbed video one of the most important developments in the marketing world, and it's not going anywhere anytime soon. Create a posting schedule. Viewers expect regular content updates, so it's important to think of your videos in terms of campaigns instead of posting videos at random. Include tutorials and demos. Create content that demonstrates how to use your product. If someone has a question about your products or services, they can view your videos before purchasing. Tell stories. If you're like me, you love good stories that reel you in and keep you on the edge of your seat. Show your personality. Your videos are a great chance to showcase your company culture. People don't want to watch boring videos. They are more likely to watch videos that are engaging and full of personality. Incorporate customer-generated content. People love seeing themselves in videos, so why not make your customers the stars of the show? Don't forget calls to action. If you want someone to visit your website or follow you on social media, let them know. Optimize videos with SEO content. Did you know that Google indexes YouTube videos? Include keywords in your video descriptions to increase your ranking. Evaluate success. In order to create successful video marketing campaigns, you have to understand and evaluate the effectiveness of your video marketing strategies. Many video hosting sites include analytics and can give you an idea of how your videos are performing. Want more tips? Visit vidon.ai